hand. Wow, it's a nice flop. Versus this sizing, I think we just call here. King Jack now improves to an open ender. So we continue calling. So our two pairs now counterfeited, and we're likely chopping now with King X. Wow. We can only pray both of these guys have Ace King. That's our best result. Maybe both of them have Jacks. Good luck us. They do both have Ace King. I'm going to lead the turn. I'm going to bet strong to represent the 9. We're going to go for the overbet here. Get it through. We're going to call. I wonder if we need to bluff this. I think we lose the flush here. Yeah, nice hand. Flop. Little set here. And we're just going to call. Wow. Well, we're obviously calling here. Right, good luck us. Nice hand. I think we just call. Right, so here we're going to take the lead after he checks. And we call, snap call, and our opponent gets the lucky done. Wow. Alright, nice hand. Yeah, so if you don't mind telling me on stream, I'll tell you if I recognise who you are. So we 3-bet, start with a C-bet, got stats. On this turn card, I think we continue betting to bet and check. So I think we want to continue getting some value from his ace-x hands. So I guess we have the same hand, I guess. Oh, wow. Respect. Pretty dangerous situation for him to be doing that in a 3-bet pot. If our range is very aces, kings, ace-king heavy, right? We're going to shove the ace-king. Good luck. This guy does call reasonably wide. I don't know if he's been willing to call 28 bigs though. With like an ace-jack, ace-10 suited top hand. Or even king-queen. Right, good spot here to double up. Boom. Hold up, right, we're just going to shove the ace-queen. In that case, Husky, I don't recognise. Oh wow, right into kings. Ace. Right, GG, 33 deep stack. And we're on the final table, boys. So let's get the purple foul. Alright, well that's our first casualty of the FT. GG Harkonnen. So we're now bumped up to 45.19. Next page jumps to 54.93. We have a straightforward call against Hen, and even if he does shove, we're going to reshove. Right, this is for the bounty and the chips. Good luck. It's a good flop. No way. This guy's been pretty trigger happy. Just gonna use a bit of my time bank. I think I'm gonna call. Nice. It's a good flop. Start with a C bet. Not a great turn card. So I think he could be leading here. Not necessarily with a 9. I think he can still do this with Jack 10, Queen 10. That's just looking to block to control the size of the pot. Would love to see a check here. Okay, nice hand. Right, we're going to peel a raise here with 12 bigs, the Queen Jack off. And that's going to be good enough, chat, for a check shove. Right, good luck us. Let's hope he doesn't have ace jack, king. Oh, wow. Alright, GG 22 bounty. Sixes is going to be a shove, boys. Let's hope we don't run into it. His calling range here should be very tight. Oh wow, but he does. We do run into it. 6-8. No. GG 55. Nice. Alright guys, it's our second cash of the day. Alright, good luck us. Wow, out pipped by 1. But fortunately we managed to split. So we made our second FT for today, which is the 22 deep stack. Get your good lucks out in the chat. Let's take this down. Just going to be all in here in the 27 classic. I think we may need some help here. We do. It's a good start. Nice. That's our first casualty with the FT. And our first ladder. I think this is a shove. Good luck us. Ace 5 is a shove. Nice. Get 2 shoves through. Not the position we want to be called by. Out pipped by 1. GG 22 deep stack. Wow. Alright. We're still in it, boys. Unless it goes all in, then we'll fold. I think that's the only scenario where we'd fold. Mom, this is we've had 2 FTs, but we've not had a good podium finish in either of them. So this could potentially be our third FT. Thinking about giving him the uno dos tres, but with this player type, he's quite fishy, and he likes to call As you saw there, I mean, just floated me with Queen Jack. We're all in with A7 off. Nice hand. Pretty standard stuff there. I think this is a call. Nice. Win a very important flip there. Alright, boys. We're on our third and final FT. Purple felt time. Wow, and aces for our very first hand. Right, we've got an all in. We're obviously snap calling. Wow, 2 all ins. Let's go, guys. Double knockout. Nice. We're on 7th plate. Yeah, we're on 79.09. It's about 500 up top. Wow, just getting jammed on for 40 bigs. Going to be letting the king queen go. That's why I would waiting to better shove, because I'm scared to shove. Now that's understandable, my friend. I think the only way you can overcome that is to, I don't know if it may sound counterintuitive, is to actually try shoving more in that spot. Like if you think, or as is what I'm telling you now, I'm thinking that's the better way to play the hand. Nice hand. Nice try there by Dyson. I wonder if it's a little bit too wide though, because he didn't even have a gut shot. Surely it would have been better to pick a hand like Queen 10 rather than King 10. I'm gonna fold this. Alright, we want Queen 9 to get there. Alright, so that's another ladder, guys. So bumped up to 159. Next page jumps to 221. This guy might 3-bet us, and we're not going to fold ace queen to his 3-bet. We're just going to rip it in. It's a good spot to jam here with his pairs and his king queens. Wow, what a sick player. Gonna call off if he shoves, unless this guy plays. Alright, good luck, chat. Boom! Come on! Had some little bit of run good in our flipping towards the end of our session. 221 is the payout now. Next page jumps to 322. Given he does have a limp 3-bet range, small blind v big, I would have to give him some credit having some ace-x hands by limping in the small blind. Flop. It's a good flop. Gonna check raise. We're gonna double barrel here. So it's a pretty clean run out. We're gonna be all in, chat. Let's hope we didn't. If he's flopped the flush as well, then it's GG. He hasn't snap called. Oh, it's best feeling in the world when you don't get snapped. Oh wow. What cooler. I think that's the end of our tournament, boys. GG, Classic 27. Well, not much we could do with that.